Good morning, students. Today we discuss about ideal and non-ideal solution. Okay, ideal solution and non-ideal solution is depended by Raoult's law. Raoult's law. What is Raoult's law? The volatile liquid of partial pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction. This is the Raoult's law. The volatile liquid of partial pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction in solution. Okay, students, this is Raoult's law. Suppose you have taken two solutions like ideal and another one is non-ideal solution. This is ideal, this is non-ideal solution. First of all, you have taken first ideal solution. The solution should be ideal solution. This must be follow the rules. Like the first one, the solution is it obey the Raoult's law. It obey the Raoult law. But non-ideal solution is not obey the Raoult's law. Not obey the Raoult's law. It obey the Raoult's law, it not obey the Raoult's law. Okay, what is the Raoult's law? Suppose the component A, like that, to closed container you have taken already, we discussed about later previous class video. Two closed containers, this is A and this is B. These two type of liquids, volatile liquids, the partial pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction. Okay, the partial pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction. In the partial pressure is Pa equal to P naught A into Xa, like maximum pressure. At the same time, Pb equal to P naught B into Xb. This is Raoult statement. The another condition is, in case this is one component, this is another component, these like that A component and B component, these two component is intermix to forms AB component. Like in the intermix of AB component, the enthalpy of delta maximum enthalpy, you have taken two components, these two components is intermixed to forms solution. In the solution should be contains certain enthalpy. These maximum enthalpy delta maximum H equal to 0 in ideal solution. The maximum enthalpy is 0 in the ideal solution. At the same time, the maximum value V almost 0 in the ideal solution. Why should be the maximum value of 0 in the solutions, intermix solutions, intermix, maximum enthalpy equal to 0, maximum volume also equal to 0. Why? Because volume also equal to 0. Suppose the intermolecular attraction force of component A and the intermolecular attraction force of component B is totally collide with one with another to automatically attract to each one another. Okay, automatically attract to each one another, so the volume also equal to 0. Enthalpy equal to 0, volume equal to 0 in the ideal solution. But what type of solutions are ideal solutions? Suppose benzene and toluene or chloroethane, bromoethane, benzene, toluene. These are so similar to ideal solution. Suppose non-ideal solution, the condition is not obey the Raoult's law. Not obey the Raoult's law. Suppose partial pressure PA in case one type of greater than P naught A into XA. I mean partial pressure is greater than maximum pressure into mole fraction. At the same time PB is greater than P naught B into XA. At the same time colloid intermix of the substance solution delta maximum enthalpy is greater than 0 in the non-ideal solution. Maximum volume also 0. This is maximum. In case greater than, this is also greater than, this is also greater than. In case these component two forms, suppose PA also less than P naught A and into XA. At the same time PB is less than P naught B into XB. At the same time intermixing of the solution delta maximum enthalpy is less than 0. At the same time volume is less than 0. Water may have taken two conditions, either less than or greater than. Suppose in the ideal solution A and A intermolecules of attractional force A and A are B and B intermolecules of attraction force. The intermolecules of attraction force in the A component. Suppose this is A component, this is different types of molecules. This is one molecule, this is one component A. These two the intermolecular attraction force in the A component are the same. At the same time intramolecules attraction force of the B component also same. These intermolecules of attraction force mixing like AB equal to AA and BB. These intermolecules of the AB intermolecules of attraction force equal to AA and AB. But non-ideal solution, suppose this is maximum, I mean greater than. Suppose AA intermolecules of attraction force is greater than AB solution. AB means mixing. This is component A. The intermolecules of attraction force of component A is greater than intermolecules of attraction force of mixer like solution. In this condition non-ideal solution less than, suppose this is also less than condition. The intermolecules of attraction force BB also. AA is less than AB or BB is less than AB. This is greater than, this is less than. These greater than values is known as positive deviation. Is less than values is known as negative deviation. So the last condition is the non-ideal solution. Non-ideal solutions is not obey the Raoult's law. At the same time it forms not obey the Raoult's law because it forms positive deviations of solution and negative deviations of solution. Positive deviation solutions is positive deviations of solution means greater than values. Negative deviation solutions means less than values. These positive deviation and negative deviation two forms. Assume the certain graph like assume the graph. Suppose already we discussed about previous video. This is Raoult's law graph. Raoult's law. Okay, this is pressure. This is also pressure. This is mole fraction. Okay, this pressure, mole fraction. Suppose x a equal to 0, x a equal to 1. X a equal to 0, x a equal to 1. This is PA. You have taken PA. This is PA. X a equal to 0, x b equal to 1. This is PA. The graph is this is because partial pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction graph. Next you have taken x a, this is also x b equal to 0, x b equal to 1. This is PB, partial pressure. The condition this is graph. This is PA, this is PB. The P total, according to the Dalton's concept, the P total, this is P total. PT equal to PA plus PB. This graph already we discussed about previous video, but this is ideal solution. This is belongs to ideal solution. This graph is belongs to ideal solution. Why? Because this is obey the Raoult's law. So this is ideal solution graph, but non-ideal solution. We have taken first of all non-ideal in the non-ideal solution. We have taken first positive deviation. Positive deviation. Suppose positive deviation means greater than values. This concept you have to like that. This is positive deviation greater than values, negative deviation less than values. Suppose positive deviation you have taken xa equal to 0, xa equal to 1. This is straight path. Positive deviation means greater than. This is the graph. Increasing. Greater than. This is positive deviation. PA is greater than, and also PB. PB is also greater than. PB also greater than. At the same time, P total is also increase. P total is an increase. This is positive deviation. At the same time, negative deviation. Negative deviation is PA also decrease. This is PA. PB also decrease because of negative deviation less than values decrease. P total almost decrease. P total almost decrease because non-ideal solution. This is non-ideal solution not obey the Raoult's law, either positive deviation values or negative deviation values. Positive deviation values maximum values like that, less than greater than values is increase. This is negative deviation values decrease. Okay, thank you students. This is ideal and non-ideal solution, very most important question.